Hello my unique kings and queens. Welcome to my channel where I'm doing new things, doing new things, doing new things. Hello my unique kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. And also turn on your post notifications so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So today I'm coming to you with an install. I'm going to be installing a lace front wig that I got off of Amazon, and this is what the wig looks like. It is in the color 27. It's from Vice HD lace wig. So I'm going to be trying this wig out. It helps to have a natural look. So we will see. So I already gel my edges down and everything. So I'm going to be putting on my stocking cap and gluing it down for the ball method. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to be gluing down my stocking cap. I'm going to be using got to be the gel and also the spray. Okay, that's the gel. Now I'm going to be taking my got to be glue spray and just going over that. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my blow dryer and drying that, and I'll be back after I dry it. Okay, I already glued my stocking cap down and cut it. I also took alcohol and cleaned up in front of it. I also unpackaged the wig, and this is the wig. This is how it looks, the lace, and it also have 3 combs in it, 2 in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable band. And this is how the part looks in the inside. So I also ordered this tinting lace. I never used it before, so I'm gonna try it. to see if I can give it a more natural look. I think what I'm gonna do is spread on my stocking cap first. I probably should have read how to use it first of all. And I did get medium brown, so I hope it's close to my skin tone. It says skin tone medium brown. So I'm gonna just try it and see how it works or how it looks. It actually smells good. But this is how it looks. It smells real good. It says it dries quickly, no residue, long wear, safe on all hair types. Okay. I'm not gonna spray none in the hair. I'm gonna see how it looks when I put it on, and if it don't look, right, then I'll take it off and add some in it. But let me put this on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't think I need to tint the wig itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing the unit. And I'm going to be using this lace bun that I've been seeing everybody use, and I wanted to try it. So this is going to be my first time trying this. So let's see. They do say you gotta let it air dry, or you can use your blow dryer on cool to dry it. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer on cool just to speed up the process. And once it gets tacky, you just start laying your lace on top of it. Okay, I'm gonna tie this down for a couple of minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I made some slits for it to be easier for me to cut, and to cut it to give it a more natural look, I'm gonna use this little blade that I have here to cut it. Okay, that's how it looks. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera, lay my baby hairs down, and I'll be back to show you the final results. Okay, this is the finished product, or the finished look. The hair is kind of big, but I'm gonna wet it and get the curl pattern back, but this is it. Don't forget to like, share, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn your post notifications on, and I will be back with another video. Bye.